Girl, I can't believe you left me now. Sorry that I let you down. I didn't mean to break us down. I know it's too late to apologize for all of my mistakes that I made, but baby, please, won't you turn around? Yeah, pretty girl, got me broken hearted, said it was my fault. Girl, don't get me started, got me feeling hearted. All you do is party, left me with nobody. Girl, I really need somebody. Girl, I need somebody. All I ever do is, girl, you got me thinking of, got me thinking about us, got me saying fuck love. Girl, you got me fucked up. Girl, you got me fucked up. Didn't know it hurt me this much. Didn't know it hurt me this much. No. To whom it may concern, I wrote this letter just for you, hoping that you'll get this message, girl, I hope you do. Cause it's been so much I wanna talk about my point of view. Why I can't say I don't love you is because I simply do. Tell me why I can't let go. Is it because I'm a fool? Or could it be that you're the one and only person I don't wanna lose? Girl, it's got me feeling some type of way. Baby, won't you come around my way? Why did you have to hurt me, babe? I just wanna know if you're okay. You can't even stand my face, don't even wanna hear my name. Tell me why you have to go. You were my heart and soul, precious like a pot of gold. Baby, look at me one time before you let me go. These thoughts inside just keep on saying, pretty girl, got me broken hearted, said it was my fault. Girl, don't get me started, got me feeling hearted. All you do is party, left me with nobody. Girl, I really need somebody. Girl, I need somebody. All I ever do is, girl, you got me thinking of, got me thinking about us, got me saying